Good afternoon, students. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the buffer solution. So, what is the buffer solution? Buffer solution. The solution can resist change in pH by addition of small amount of strong acid or strong base is called as buffer solution. Is what? The solution cannot change its pH value by addition of small quantity of strong acid or strong base is called as buffer solution. The solution can resist change in pH by addition of small amount of strong acid or strong base is called as buffer solution. Second, the definition of buffer solution. The solution can resist change in pH by addition of very small amount of strong acid or strong base is called as buffer solution. Then see the types of buffer solution. Types of buffer solution. There are mainly two types of buffer solution. What buffer solution gives? Mainly two types. There are two types of buffer solution. Two types of buffer solutions as follows. First type, acidic buffer. First one is the acidic buffer and second one is the basic buffer. Likewise that only two types of buffers can occur. First is the acidic buffer. How to define this acidic buffer? Acidic buffer, the mixture of weak acid and its salt with a strong base is called as acidic buffer. The mixture of weak acid and its salt with strong base called as acidic buffer. See definition of acidic buffer. The mixture of weak acid, any weak acid, formic acid, acetic acid, hydrocyanic acid and its salt, not only acid, its salt with a strong base is called as acidic buffer. For example, CH3COOH is the acetic acid. CH3COOH is the acetic acid and its salt with strong base, that is CH3COONA, sodium acetate. Then the mixture of both is called as acidic buffer. Which mixture? Mixture of weak acid, acetic acid and its salt with strong base, sodium acetate, is called as acidic buffer. How to make this salt? This salt is made up from weak acid, acetic acid and strong base NaOH. Likewise that CH3COOH plus NaOH, weak acid and strong base mixed together. Then this hydrogen combines with hydroxyl ions to form the water H2O, and remaining is the CH3COONA is the salt of weak acid and its salt with a strong base, that is sodium acetate. This is the example of acidic buffer. Another example, formic acid HCOH plus potassium formate. Potassium formate is the mixture of acidic buffer. Second example, HCOOH is the formic acid plus potassium formate HCOOK. Then that mixture is called as acidic buffer. Mixture is called as acidic buffer. This acidic buffer having the pH less than 7. Understand that point? The acidic buffer always having the pH that is less than 7. Its pH is always less than 7. pH of acidic buffer is always less than 7. Then the pH of acidic buffer can given by equation. The pH of acidic buffer can be calculated by the given equation. How to calculate? pH is equal to pKa plus log to the base 10 concentration of salt divided by concentration of acid. This equation is used to calculate pH of acidic buffer, where pKa is equal to minus log to the base 10 Ka. pKa is equal to minus log to the base 10 Ka, where this Ka is the dissociation constant of acid. This formula we have to require for the calculations of pH of acidic buffer. Which formula? pH is equal to pKa plus log to the base 10 concentration of given salt divided by concentration of given acidic buffer, that is acid. By this way we can calculate the pH of that given acidic buffer. After the acidic buffer, see the definition of basic buffer. Basic buffer is the second type of buffer solution. How to define the basic buffer? Basic buffer is the mixture of weak base and its salt with strong acid. Weak base and its salt with strong acid, then that is called as basic buffer. See here, basic buffer, the mixture of weak base and its salt with strong acid. Salt with strong acid is called as basic buffer. See the example of basic buffer. Example of basic buffer. For the preparation of basic buffer, we have to require the weak base. Suppose example NH4OH is the weak base. NH4OH is the weak base and its salt NH4Cl, that can be made up from the weak base NH4OH and from strong acid HCl. The mixture of both NH4OH and NH4Cl is called as basic buffer. This is the basic buffer. Basic buffer having the pH, its pH is always more than 7. Its pH is always more than 7. Basic buffer's pH more than 7. Alkalinity. Then the basic buffer's values, that is pH values. The pH values of basic buffer can be calculated by the equation. The pOH of basic buffer, what? The pOH of basic buffer is given by equation. pOH is equal to pKb plus log to the base 10 concentration of salt divided by concentration of base. Again, see the formula to the calculate pOH of basic buffer. pOH is equal to pKb plus log to the base 10 concentration of salt divided by concentration of base, where pKb is equal to minus log 10 kb, where kb is the dissociation constant of base. So by this way the buffer solution is introduced. With that buffer solution we have to also follow the two types, acidic buffer and basic buffers. Acidic buffers having pH less than 7 and basic buffer having the pH more than 7, and both the buffers can be calculated by using the separate formulas. These are also discussed. Then see the properties of buffer solutions. Which are the properties of that buffer solutions? Properties of buffer solution. Properties of buffer solution can also ask for board exam, carries 2 marks, where it requires only 4 points, half marks for each point. First of all, see the properties of buffer solution. First, we know according to definition the pH of buffer solution is always constant, cannot change. So depending upon that, first property, its pH value remains constant. Its pH value remains constant. Is the first property. Second property, its pH cannot change. Its pH cannot change by addition of small amount of strong acid or strong base. Whenever buffer solution is taken in any beaker and some quantity of strong acid or strong base is added in it, then its pH cannot be changed, remains constant. Third, its pH remains constant by dilution. Whenever the pH solution is diluted by adding water, its pH cannot change. Means what? By dilution, its pH remains constant. This is also third property. And last property, its pH remains constant remains constant for a long time. For a long time. This indicates that the pH of buffer solution cannot change to the too much long time periods. So these are the properties of buffer solution. Remind again. First property, pH value of buffer remains constant. That is first point. Second, its pH cannot change by addition of small amount of strong acid or strong base. Third point, its pH constant by dilutions. When we diluted it by adding water, then pH cannot be changed. And last, its pH remains constant for a long time. Means what? The duration of pH is too much long time periods, cannot be changed. So these are the properties of buffer solution. So in this class, we discuss only about what is buffer solution, types of buffer solution, their formula, pH value, and lastly the properties of buffer solution. In next class,